Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and I'm very excited to show you a project that we've been working on for a long time in this video. It's just getting rolling. It's literally just getting started. The demo's completed and the block is going up. So I want to show you this major renovation that we're doing to a house on a lake for a very good friend of mine in Odessa. So in this project, let me give you an idea of the overall scope of the project. We're just ripping this house apart. We're literally breaking it down to just the shell, and we're completely rebuilding it in a different way and making it almost twice as big as it is now. So we're adding about 1,800 square feet in the back of the house. That's a 2-story addition. In the front of the house, we're totally rearranging the kitchen and all the front walls. We're adding to the front porch. It's gonna be a masterpiece when it's done, but what you're gonna see in this video is the real deal of what an actual construction site looks like mid-construction. I mean, this is, I'd almost be like for adults only. Like this is the real deal of how construction actually goes. Like this is a job site where we're going full steam ahead. We're only about 6 weeks into this project, maybe 8 at this point, but we are just freaking blasting this thing out. And so what you're really gonna see is the block is going up in this video. So one interesting thing on this project that I really wanna point out is the existing walls for the house are only 8 feet tall. The new addition is going to have 10-foot tall walls, which is going to make the ceilings go way up in the addition area. So what you're going to get to see is how we actually tied that in, and we'll show that to you in future videos of this project on how that's actually going to work with us taking an 8-foot house and adding a 10-foot ceiling addition to it, and then adding another 10-foot ceiling addition to the second story above that first story that we're building right now. And this was a design challenge to see how we're going to make this look good, how it's not going to be awkward, because when you go from 8-foot ceilings to 10 feet, that's a big transition inside of the house. It's going to be beautiful. The way that this is designed is just immaculate. The designer did an amazing job, and the homeowner did an awesome job choosing how he wanted it to all come together. I shouldn't just say he, it's him and his wife. Anyways, the point is, this is a project that's massive. It is currently our largest project that we have going on. We have a couple that are going to rival it in size that are going to be coming up in later this year. But right now, this is our largest project, which is ongoing, and I'm so excited to show it to you. I think you're really going to get a lot of it. You're going to see a lot of the concrete in this one, but the next video that we're going to do is actually an on-site video of the steel that's going up. There is steel on this project. It's the first steel structure of this size that we've done as a company, and it's going to be really cool to get to show you how steel beams actually go in, because not a lot of residential projects have steel, and people kind of can misunderstand what it's there for and how it actually has to go in and be integrated to the existing structure. So a lot of fun stuff to show you on this. If you haven't already, the way to stay up to date on these projects is to subscribe to the Home Love Construction YouTube. There we post shorts on how to handle different things. We post little construction advice videos. We do project updates like this. The Home Love Construction YouTube, if you're not a subscriber, you are missing out on some awesome stuff, especially if you're thinking about doing a renovation yourself and maybe you're not in our area. It will still help you because literally there's just loads and loads and loads of information there, which is just straight from the contractor. I'm sure you can tell in these videos, I don't really hold anything back. I just tell you how it is and how construction needs to be done, because that's part of our mission at Home Love Construction, is to really raise the standards of the construction field and take the BS and the shadiness and the mystery out of it. There's no reason for that. So we're going to continue to bring that to you. If you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel. It's Home Love Construction. And if you need help with a project in the Tampa Bay area, definitely go to homelove.construction and we can add a second story to your house, just like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vid. Peace.